itself, let's talk software for a moment. There are lots of great options out there like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave, and a lot of these tools have some really cool features that can help you to automate your bookkeeping, which as your business grows can help you to save time. But when you're first starting out, honestly, I wouldn't recommend using any of those tools. Not only are they expensive, but it's actually better to be more hands-on with your books.
More hands-on with your books. I'm not a big advocate for like QuickBooks as far as like I don't work for them and say you only have to use QuickBooks, but QuickBooks is what I use primarily with my clients. First off, why would you reinvent the wheel? Now, this woman here is trying to offer a program where you can use her spreadsheets that help you do bookkeeping that's more hands-on. QuickBooks is hands-on. I mean, it's got stuff to help you automate things, but at the end of the day, if you're an entrepreneur and your business is to, sell your t-shirts in your e-commerce business, do you really want to be that much hands-on? Do you really need to waste that time when something's already been created to make your life easier? Look, QuickBooks is really not expensive. Right now, I'm pretty sure it's like $40 a month. Well, and I know for an online-based business that might seem like a lot, or just a small business. Let's just see how much it costs. QuickBooks Online cost. It's $14.50 a month. I'm gonna put that screenshot up just so you can see if you don't believe me. It's $14.50 a month for a software that's already been created to solve a problem. So be careful, people like this, because she's over here trying to tell you, hey, use my spreadsheet, and then as you need help with my own spreadsheet, or you just find that you have questions in small business in general, hey, I got this nice little cost. Now you can pay me. So it's like kind of silly to me. Just don't get caught up in those things. There's a lot of things out there that are trying to pull you in different directions. And especially if you're a small business, take your time. You can use QuickBooks. It's no big deal. And then as you scale, you can find accounting firms like ours, Greenlight Financial, and we'll take over for you. And then let you just do what you do best. Run your business. Be the entrepreneur that you are. But don't get caught up in stuff like that. These are people that are telling you false information, all in order to create a sale of their product. You do need bookkeeping. There are plenty of softwares out there that aren't expensive, that are made to be for small business owners for this specific reason, to make it easy so you can track your metrics and use clear metrics to make decisions to scale and grow your business. If you need help with yours, reach out to us at Greenlight Financial and we can help you today.